the Weather Authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Taking a look at the week ahead, we are going to be running into the chance for a few rounds of storms. We had one round already come through, and the remnants of it are still hanging around the area here this evening. That will likely wrap up, and then we'll see more tomorrow and on Wednesday as temperatures begin to climb for us once again. The muggy meter, which is already well high in the spike here, is going to continue to spike further as we get into the middle of the week, and that's going to lead to another unsettled chance towards the end of the week. Plenty of things to track here for you the next couple of days. And as we look out on satellite and radar, you'll see there's plenty of cloud cover associated with some of these lighter showers. We did have a line of broken thunderstorm activity roll through. It has broken further as it's worked its way into eastern Kentucky. Some heavier pockets down near Harlan and Hazard, and a heavier line moving into far northeastern Kentucky as well. A couple lingering showers trailing that, but we will likely see a bit of a break overnight tonight as the main lift from this warm front will push eastward. There's a gap of drier air in here that we're going to tap into. Now, we are watching for some of these stronger storms that are working in far western Kentucky and working into Illinois. Those will likely stay north and west of us as we head into the overnight, and we're waiting for the cold front to push closer to get you rounds of showers and maybe a few storms Tuesday and leading into Wednesday. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast. As that warm front pushes by, it's going to likely stall out, and then as we get into tomorrow morning, probably take the first half of the morning, if not the first half of the day, to get some thunderstorms to develop and move through. You'll notice that they stay rather scattered in nature as we head into the afternoon and into the evening. Heavier activity likely stays west, and that's going to be the big story here with this chance for activity. We're going to miss out on a lot of the really good stuff, like tonight, very hit or miss, even into our Wednesday morning. 8 a.m., scattered activity likely on the map. It lingers in eastern Kentucky in waves, so a lot of us expecting to see a little bit of rain. Some others, localized higher totals are going to be possible. And this is the next 7 days, so just with those two rounds, we probably won't see much impact to all the drought that we've had ongoing. Half inch to an inch likely. Look at the heavier stuff, the target zone, really kind of towards E-Town and moving further into western Kentucky. And that's where there are flood watches for us right now. Nothing in the Fox 56 viewing area, something that we'll keep an eye on, the chance for maybe some localized flooding over the course of the next couple of days. But looking at the overall theme, it's going to be nice and toasty. Go to 83 tomorrow with those scattered storms, 87 by Wednesday, almost 90 on Thursday. And look at this, the muggy meter is going to be up. 92 to 95, maybe even higher is what it's going to feel like, because we are oppressive across the board for us here as we go through it. It's not until Friday's rain chance that we're going to see a decrease in our moisture, a decrease in our muggy meter, and a little more pleasant weather comes in for your weekend. Here's what it looks like on the 7-day forecast. Lots of upper 80s in there, and then we coast into the weekend, toning those temperatures down just a bit.
Download the Fox 56 Weather Authority app today.